What is up, guys? Welcome to Barrookie. Today we're going to do the last training of the year, and we're going to do it a little bit more unconventional. This year I got introduced to rope flow. I also got inspired to do more sandbag training, and that is what I want to incorporate in today's video, in today's workout. So yeah, we're just breaking loose from all the structured weightlifting stuff, and we're going to just roll with it and just do some cool stuff. So I hope you enjoy it, and I hope maybe this could be a theme for the next year. We'll see. Let's go. Check this out. Please don't fall, please don't fall, please don't fall. Woo! Some unconventional ice skating. Yeah, we're not going to do the Buster Sword on here. So this is my favorite trick. Boom! But I hit my foot with this. Not enough space. I need to be in the middle, but I don't want to fall. I don't want to skate with this sword. So yeah, a good thing about filming yourself when doing these type of things is that you, even though it feels pretty fluid, you will see on camera how janky it actually is. And that is what I saw with the club. So yeah, we need to work on that, but that's okay. We have our whole lifetime to get better at this. So that was an exercise I saw from the Instagrams, and when I did this one while looking at the video, my shoulders started opening up and feeling a lot better. So I thought, why not do this with weight as they showed in the video? And oh boy, does that weird exercise like loosen things up. That proves again that movement is a lot better than trying to massage and roll everything out, because I feel like if you roll something out, it feels good in the moment, but once you stop, it just stops feeling good and you're all back to being tight again. But this, it's like you move, you get some blood flow in there, you maybe realign some fibers, and yeah, feels pretty good. So try this one out with caution because it is a little bit of a weird angle, but yeah, feels pretty good. So let's do some more sets of that. Okay, so now it's time for our daily upper chest workout. So we're doing the upper chest uppercut. It's day 51. That's pretty cool. Day 51. That's a lot. So yeah, if you're not following the series already, you just should subscribe and yeah, watch the daily shorts. The idea of this exercise is really to keep attention on your chest and focus on pushing from your chest upwards. It's like you're using your chest to push your arm up. It's not coming from your elbow, it's not coming from your arm or your bicep. You try to initiate the movement from your upper chest. And that might take some time to finick around or to really focus on that mind-muscle connection. But once you get that, ooh man, it feels pretty cool. It feels pretty good also. Now that is an exercise. It has explosiveness, it has power, it has full body movement. This thing is epic, it's awesome. Just before I tried to pull him over my shoulder, but now, man, I'm out of breath. Now trying to control the weight up on your shoulder and then leave it there and going back down, it's a whole different ball game. Let me introduce you to Blob. Meet Blob, a 100-kilogram sandbag filled with 60 kilograms of sand. Okay, I guess Blob kicked my ass. If you were thinking that Turkish get-ups were difficult, try doing them with a sandbag. I absolutely love how this exercise kicks my butt, and I love how it activates my core, my complete body. And I think this has a really good carryover to jiu-jitsu. Like, with this, I could do a technical stand-up with the guy on my back or on my shoulders. Probably never gonna happen, but if it ever needs to happen, we can do this. These exercises are very intense, and that's what I like about sandbag training. It's just boom, we go for it. Now keep in mind also, I have to babysit. There's some supersetting that's happening, and that supersetting is hugging, kissing, dancing. So yeah, if you get to combine things with your kids, I think it's so valuable because they learn that getting stronger is nice. They understand the value of being strong. They see you work. So I think it all has its benefits. Even though they're just around here playing, I see them hanging on gymnastic rings. I see them climbing up the staircase from the backside of the staircase. I see them lifting small weights. It's just epic to see, and I really love that. Free flowing that you can do on the floor with a sandbag. The sandbag is 50 kilograms, and yeah, it's a cool weight to just toss around and to play around with. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. I hope you got something out of it, and I hope you're now inspired to do some more sandbag training. And anyway, let me know in the comments down below what you want to see more in the next year. So yeah, Happy New Year, and I'll see you on the other side. Paisa!